Ira Epstein with your morning flash update for this Monday, the 31st of January, 2022, just getting on to 8:30 a.m. Central Time. Boy, am I glad to see this month gone. It's been a brutal January. You know, January often starts out a lot stronger than this did in the stock indices, and they have gotten hit. But we do know that the Fed's embarking on a totally different path than it did before. That's weighing on the market. You're getting a little bit of a rally today in the gold, up $10, silver up. Copper, don't be surprised of weakness this week. I've been leading you up to it for a while. This is the lunar holiday, the golden week. People take off in China. And when they do it in mass. Then they start drifting back in at the end of the week, and next week things get back to normal. That's not to say there won't be some business conducted, but it's not a lot, I can tell you that. Dollar under some selling pressure after a stellar run last week, and that's giving a lift to a number of the different currencies against it. Bitcoin got under 37,000 again. It's lifting off of that a little bit, but remember, it keeps watching these stock indices and seems to tie itself to it. Wheat market tried the $8 level. It's a miserable failure in it right now. And as you can see in other markets, the beans tried higher. They've given some of that up. Corn's still barely higher on the day. Bonds and notes, where you're pushing the 181 level in the 10-year note. Baker Hughes reported that the number of rigs went up. If you saw my weekend, I showed you these numbers. The Dallas Fed numbers come out at 9:30 a.m. The Chicago Fed PMI comes out in about 15 minutes from now. In China, they're reporting that they've got everything slowing down quite a bit, in fact. Evergrande, it looks like it's going to sell a huge parcel of land near Hong Kong, and they're going to use that money to repay, believe it or not, foreign money to a degree. So there's the first step that we're hearing, where maybe some of the debtors get a little bit of money back. They're also under tremendous pressure, as you can imagine, to restructure that whole company. We'll see. I can't imagine China turning off foreign investment. If they do, it's not the greatest move they're going to make, and I don't think they'll do that. In about 2 hours' time, we will get a conference from Prime Minister Johnson out of the UK. Apparently, the inquiry, his Partygate, or whatever you want to call it, that paper has come in. I don't know how much they'll really release because there's a police investigation, but he's going to talk about it. And, you know, this is his nightmare. We'll see just what he says, but I doubt that he's resigning. I think he'll just say that it's in and blah, 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 whatever's going to come from there. So watch the data coming out today. Remember, if you'd like to get newsletters, a sample of what I do, our firm does, all you need to do is go to our website at www.iraepstein.com. When you do that, on the far left, you'll see free offers. Just click on any of those and away you go. I'm Ira. I'll see you at the end of the day with our market wrap-up. You take care.